How to stop vertigo fast. Vertigo. Vertigo is a feeling of dizziness that occurs without any accompanying movement. It's caused by your senses telling your brain that your body is off balance, even though it isn't. Vertigo is a symptom of an underlying condition, not a diagnosis in itself. It can be a result of several different things. Some types of vertigo will only happen once, and some types will continue to recur until the underlying condition is found. One of the most common types of vertigo is called benign positional paroxysmal vertigo, BPPV. BPPV is caused by deposits that build up in your inner ear, which navigates your sense of balance. Vestibular neuritis, stroke, head or neck injuries, and Meniere's disease are all other conditions that can cause vertigo. If you are experiencing vertigo at home, there are several home remedies that you can use to treat it. Epley maneuver. Also called the canalith repositioning maneuver, the Epley maneuver is the first go-to strategy for many people experiencing vertigo. Research indicates that the Epley maneuver is extremely effective for people with BPPV. You can perform the maneuver at home by following this simple procedure. 1. Start by sitting upright on a flat surface, with a pillow behind you and with your legs outstretched. 2. Turn your head 45 degrees to the right. 3. With your head still titled, quickly recline with your head on the pillow. Stay in this position for at least 30 seconds. 4. Slowly turn your head to the left, a full 90 degrees, without lifting your neck. 5. Engage your whole body, turning it to the left so that you are completely on your left side. 6. Slowly return to your original position, looking forward and sitting straight up. You may also have someone assist you with the Epley maneuver by guiding your head according to the steps outlined above. It can be repeated 3 times in a row, and you may feel dizzy during each movement.